Campbell Soup's $4.9 billion acquisition of Snyders lands is a corporate picnic that deserves an activist gatecrasher. It's a financial stretch, and with a market capitalization of $14.9 billion, Campbell might be better as a target than a buyer. Big family shareholders are an obstacle to any outside investor trying to derail the deal, which is a pity because Campbell is on course to destroy shareholder value. The soup maker's $50 a share offer for the pretzel company is supposed to create a macro snacking platform that will deliver $170 million in annual pre-tax cost savings. Yet ambitious as the synergy target is, it's also insufficient. Campbell's return on investment would be a paltry 4%, well below the cost of capital of Snyders, according to a BreakingViews analysis. The deal will also leave the soup group with net debt of almost 5 times earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, unwise for a company with a falling top line. Shareholders do not get a vote on the deal. Even if they did, Campbell's family shareholders have 42% of the votes. This is the company's 6th acquisition in 5 years, but the shares have provided an annual total return of less than 9% over that time, far less than Hershey, Unilever, and Snyders, as well as the Standard & Poor's 500 stock index. It's not like Campbell, run by Denise M. Morrison, needs to radically rethink the way it makes soup. But it would be better off without the expensive acquisitions and might consider being devoured rather than devouring. Big food purveyors like Kraft Heinz are keen to bulk up on familiar brands. The private equity group KKR bought Unilever's no-growth spreads business for $8 billion on Friday. Such decisions ultimately lie with the Campbell heirs. But activists are taking on ever bigger challenges in the name of shaking things up. Last week, Elliott Management vented its frustration with Hess, the oil company run by John Hess and founded by his father. Nelson Peltz has won a board seat at Procter & Gamble which, although not family-owned, put up a defense and counter campaign as spirited as any Klan-dominated company. Getting Campbell to scrap this deal would require an activist with a strong stomach, or the ability to sweet-talk insiders into pursuing other options. Other investors can only hope such an activist exists.